What's up, tartelettes? It's Jen, and today we're gonna do a no makeup look using Shape Tape products. We're gonna look really natural, really flawless, just how you'd like to wake up every morning, but of course we never wake up this way. Maybe some of you do. I know I don't. All right, so let's dive in. Let's get started. And by the way, if it looks like I'm naked throughout the tutorial, I have a tube top on. I just keep looking naked, and I promise I'm not. All right, I'm gonna start out by applying our Shape Tape Hydrating Foundation. I use the fair shade. I love this so much. It's so hydrating. It's got hyaluronic acid in it, which can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. And I'm so dry, I need that. And I always want that like dewy finish. It just looks like really healthy, really natural, lit from within. And I can get that with this. Look at that, I just like went crazy drawing on my face right now. All right, now I'm taking the sponge and I'm just going to buff it right in. All right, now I'm gonna conceal and brighten using our Shape Tape Contour Concealer in the fair shade. This is hands down my favorite concealer. One Shape Tape is sold every 12 seconds in the US. How crazy is that? All right, so I'm just gonna apply it right under my eye area because that's where I really need to brighten. I like to do it on my chin. I'm just gonna take the Quickie blending sponge, and you have to wet the sponge before you use it, and the other sponge, they get really soft, really big, and they just bounce right off your face. So when you're putting your makeup on, it just gives you this flawless application. All right, so as you can see, my face looks pretty flat. We need to add some dimension. We're gonna use our Shape Your Money Maker Eye and Cheek Palette. And we're gonna go in, we're gonna chisel at the cheekbones, the nose, the jaw, and then we're gonna go into the eyes. But first I gotta put my headband on because my hair just like keeps creeping its way into my face, trying to make a cameo, and I'm not having it. All right, so we're gonna open up this palette and we're gonna go in on the shade Slim right here. It's the contour shade. And I'm just gonna take a little bit and we're gonna go right in on those cheekbones because right now they're non-existent. And then bring it down around here. And then we're gonna buff this in. You can see it instantly gives my face a nice shape. Looks very natural. I'm like, there I am, in hiding. And we're gonna go a little bit around the hairline, just to warm it up. I like to apply this right to the tip of my nose, just so it helps shorten the appearance of it. I hate my nose. I know you're supposed to love your features, but you know what? I don't like my nose. I always wanted a nose job, but I'm way too scared to go under the knife and do that. So I love contouring because I'm able to kind of shape and sculpt my face the way I want without going under the knife. So I will never stop contouring. All right, now I'm gonna take it down along the sides of the bridge of the nose. All right, now to give my nose more sloped appearance, I'm gonna take a little bit of this highlighter cut right here, and I'm gonna apply it right to the tip of my nose to give it a little boop appearance. I don't know why I make that sound effect every time, but I just feel like that's what a sloped sounds like. I don't know. All right, now we're gonna move on to eyes. I'm gonna be using our Shape Tape Eye Primer. I'm gonna pop it right onto my lids and just like draw it on, just like this. Crease, same on this side. And then I just take my finger and kind of blend it out. And bring it right up, just like that. Same on this side. All right, now we're gonna move back into our Shape Your Money Maker palette, and we're gonna be using the shades. I wanna use a little bit of just Cut and Trainer, which are these two shades right here, because we wanna do like a no makeup look. So we want to be really subtle, so we're going to use these two shades. And we're going to use a little bit of the contour shade, and we're going to use a little bit of the contour shade to help give our eye shape dimension, but not look too crazy. And we're also going to use a little bit of the contour shade in the crease. So starting out with the shade Trainer, we're gonna apply that all over the lid and up into the crease. Now we're just taking a little bit of that contour shade Slim and we're gonna pop that right into our crease. Now take any excess product on your brush and you're just gonna bring it right along your lower lash line. Now using the same brush, we're gonna pick up a little bit of that highlighter shade Cut and we're gonna apply that right to the centers of our lid. Now we're gonna top our lashes off with a couple coats of my favorite Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara. I love this mascara because it lengthens, curls, conditions, and volumizes your lashes, and it's so nice. Alright, now for a nice natural nude looking lip, I'm going to be applying our Tarte Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint in the shade Salty. I actually like to use a brush because it helps kind of buff it out and give it a more natural finish. I love these Tarte Quick Dry Matte Lip Paints because they're transfer proof. So when you put them on and you give someone a kiss, they're not wearing the same shade as you. Also, when you drink your coffee, it doesn't transfer to your coffee mugs. It lasts all day. It's actually my favorite lip formula. Alright, now for our final step, we're going to set it and forget it with our Shape Tape setting powder. I'm going to be using the translucent shade. Now while this compact comes with a little application booth, I'm going to be applying with our Setting Superpower Powder Brush. Alright tartelettes, so there you have it. You just saw how easy it was to create a no makeup look using some of my favorite Shape Tape products. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial, and until next time, mwah! Take care tartelettes.